Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to connect your Xbox account to Twitch so you can start streaming your gameplay easily and share it with your audience. Step 1. Make sure you have an active Xbox account and a Twitch account. Also, ensure you're signed in to both accounts and have a stable internet connection before starting. Step 2. Turn on your Xbox console and sign in to your Xbox profile. From the home screen, navigate to the Microsoft Store and search for the Twitch app. Step 3. Download and install the Twitch app on your Xbox. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Step 4. When the Twitch app launches, select the option to log in. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Step 5. On your phone or computer, open a web browser and go to twitch.tv/activate. Log into your Twitch account if you're not already signed in. Step 6. Enter the activation code shown on your Xbox screen into the Twitch activation page, then confirm. After a few seconds, your Xbox will automatically connect to your Twitch account. Once connected, go back to the Twitch app on your Xbox. You can now adjust your streaming settings, such as stream title, privacy options, and whether to include party audio or microphone audio. Step 8. When you're ready, select Go Live or Start Streaming. Your gameplay will now be broadcast directly to your Twitch channel. That's it. Your Xbox account is now successfully connected to Twitch, and you're ready to start streaming your games to viewers around the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tutorial.